Hello everyone, this is Moses from ZAATAR Gardens. I'm going to be talking about the Misty Blueberry on issues that I've experienced, growth habits, the taste, and any interesting characteristics that I've noticed. That's coming up right now. There's not too many issues on the Misty Blueberry as much as the other varieties that I grow, of blueberries that is. But one issue I would guess is that it is supposed to be a really tall blueberry, but it's not the fastest growing one. I've never had any insect issues with any of my blueberries, especially the Misty. Not many insects bother it, but blue jays love the blueberries, and I haven't seen squirrels steal any blueberries yet. The thing I like about the Misty Blueberry variety is that it's a really large berry. It ripens way before any other blueberry variety I have, and it takes the summer heat well, surprisingly. The growth habit of the Misty Blueberry is slow growing in my opinion, at least in my garden. It wants full sun. It doesn't really thrive in full shade. I would assume part shade would be good as well. It's just a great performer, but it's not the most vigorous. The taste of the Misty Blueberry compared to my other varieties, I grow Bountiful Blue and Sunshine Blue, is not as great. It's not too sweet, not too tart. The only thing it really has going for it is its size compared to the other varieties. So I hope this video helped you on any questions you might have had for the Misty Blueberry. I love this plant, great performer. I wish it was a little bit more vigorous. Happy gardening, everyone.
Okay, like, share, subscribe, and